Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the one more question, which is overspeeding fine. Okay, so there is given a chef was driving on a highway at a speed of X kilometer per hour. To avoid the accident, there is a fine imposed on a overspeeding. Okay, if the speed of a car is less than 70, then there is no fine, and if the speed of car is greater than 70 and less than 100, then there will be a fine of 500. Okay, and if it is greater than 100, then he has to pay 2000 fine. So you just have to determine that the chef has to pay the fine or not. Okay, so here is given a story of a chef that he has to pay the fine, or anyone whose speed, this is the speed. Okay, this is the speed. If the speed is greater than, sorry, if the speed is less than 70, okay, it is less than or equals to, let's check it again. Yeah, if it is less than or equals to 70, then there is a no fine. Okay, if speed of x is greater than 70 and x is less than 100, then there is fine of 500. Okay, and if x of speed is greater than 100, then he has to pay 2000 fine. Okay, so you just have to check whether he has to pay the which amount. Okay, so you just have to do one thing. You have to write the pseudo code here. So if x is less than equals to 70, then you just have to do cout 0. Else if speed is less than 70 and x is greater than or equals to 100, then you just have to do cout yes, which is 500. else he has to do cout of 2000. Okay, so let's run this code. So let's do the code here. First you have to take the entity and then cnt, while t minus minus is greater than 0, then he just have to take int x and then cn x. Okay, and let's check the, if x is less than or equals to 70, then he just have to do cout 0 and done. Else if x is greater than 70 and x is less than equals to 100, then it have to do cout 500. Else you just have to do cout 2000. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.